After all I've done, do you love me now?
Hello guys. Well, what's up everybody? Welcome to the Trading Success Show, guys. This is yours truly, friends. Well, today I will be going through different stocks on the WallstreetBets page on Reddit. I'll be going through different stocks that they've been calling all these months. So if you haven't subscribed, that is fine, but go ahead and click the like button. That will help the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm. You can like or dislike, whichever, it doesn't matter, but it will help the algorithm. Well, I'll be talking about different stocks, and these different stocks ranges from BB, Bed Bath and Beyond, Tellery, ROKT, and all that. These are the stocks, and I will be discussing possible levels and looking for information in terms of shares float, how fast is the stock is gonna run, right? So welcome to the community, and I truly from the bottom of my heart, I welcome you all to this channel. Feel free to email me, feel free to follow me on Twitter. If you have any questions, concerns, whatever you have, just feel free to do that. On my Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter. I post charts and I post stuff, just technical analysis and possible point that I'll be watching, So feel free to follow me. Feel free to also subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. You're more than welcome to do that. Let's get into the place, right? Now, I will be running this really fast, so bear with me, okay? The first one I will be talking about here is CCIV. Churchill Capital. This one, I did chart this up. So what I'm expecting Churchill Capital to do is to visit $30 spot. That is where I want this to go. I have the $20 call options and I have the $25 call options, which they are all in the money right now, right? The reason why I picked up the $25 call option was I was expecting the stock to actually push to that 25, reject it, which it did. We pushed right here. We couldn't get close to the 25. We rejected it, and then guess what? It just pushed higher, okay? So this one is one of them. Keep an eye on it. The next level I'm expecting is $30. The next one is SUNW. This is Sunwork. The beauty about this is we have this trend developing right now, right? So what I'm expecting, okay, is for a break out of this trend. But if you notice, we have the 50 EMA, exponential moving average, right here around 1024. Okay, so as soon as I think we'll be able to break through, because we already tested this moving average earlier. I think that should be what, on Thursday. So now I think we should be able to push through this level. I've been in this trade since the $8 spot where we started consolidating around that area. So that is for that. The next one is going to be BNGO. BNGO, what I'm expecting BNGO to do now is to break out of this $9 spot. So $9 is going to be the resistance, and I'm expecting continuation, higher. RSI is around 71.50%, so it's also 71% pretty much. Overall, you have your support right now around the 627, 650 spot. That's going to be your support on BNGO. I'm still holding my $5 position that I picked up around this area. The next one is BBIG. BBIG, this has been a pretty interesting play so far. Picking some around this area of the 200 moving average. This was the spot, because I was expecting the price to break through this resistance, and we broke through the resistance, pull back to test it, and then continue our way. I saw some around this $4 spot, and then we rejected this trend and resistance spot to pull all the way back to the 20 and 50 EMA. And now we're getting more volume coming in, so I'm expecting continuation on BBI. Next one is ROMED. This one is already too extended, so I won't be looking at this one, but I just wanted to to show you guys how you can profit off the market, off all this push. This is more like pop and fail, but we haven't failed really much here because of the Reddit group. Palantir, PLTR, this one is a beauty. The reason why is because we have this ascending triangle right here. So I'm expecting this to continue pushing higher. Overall target on Palantir for me, not the target, but just the next target is around the $27 spot and then $30. Okay. SPCE, this one is the same thing. We have this resistance right there and we have this as our support. So pretty much we're holding support very well, and of course we have this resistance here around the $35 spot. If we can break $35 spot, I bet you this is going to push higher through the 40, through the 45, and we're just gonna keep pushing. Overall 72% on RSI. Just you just have to monitor it and have much more volume coming in. Fubu, FUBO, this one, what I'm looking for here is the same thing as this Spce, right? This SPCE. So pretty much I'm expecting this to break out of this area. My target was, my second target was the $30 spot, and we got the $30 spot and pushed towards the 31. So I'm expecting this 3250 area. If we can break this 3250 area, I think we should be able to we should continue to push on Fubu. ROKT, this one hasn't even gotten any move yet at all. With all the Reddit, WallstreetBets kind of plays, ROKT is also one of them, but guess what, we haven't actually pushed high. So pretty much on this trade I got some around this consolidation right here in anticipation for the 20. We got to the 20, we held the 20, we kind of rejected it, pulled back, tried again, and we just broke through to test the 50. Right now we're just marrying the 50 exponential moving average. Right now we're just caging, we're just holding on to the 50 moving average right now, exponential moving average right now. So I'm expecting this to push higher towards over the 200 moving average and then hold it again, because you see what happened, we push through, pull back, and then push through, pull back, and I'm expecting a push towards the $22. Next one is gonna be FSK, Pesca. This one, this has actually gotten some form of a move, some crazy move. So we've been holding this trend so far, right? So what I'm doing now, I'm just expecting this to get to the $18 spot, and then we can pull back towards this $16 area for a consolidation for another move higher. Overall, I still like the name. Next one is MNMD. This is mind medicine. The reason why I like this one is because look at this downtrend and look at this uptrend. We are breaking out of the downtrend. So keep an eye on this one for price to to work around this 390, 375 spot for a continuation higher. The candles are really huge candles, so that is an expectation. Okay, the next one is Uwmc. This one, the beauty of this is as you can see, our next level is the 200 moving average. Okay, this is an inverse head and shoulder. This is the left side, the right side, and this is the head. So pretty much it indicates a reversal, a bullish nature. So I'm expecting this area price to get back to this 200 moving average for a continuation higher. RSI is still decent, 64%. SNDL. This SNDL, I got some around this consolidation around the 200 moving average, and guess what happened? I took some profit off close to about the 150 spot, and then we couldn't hold because this was on Thursday. We couldn't hold, and guess what I did? I sold some of my position and then added back at this trend support. Okay, So this is your trend and this is your support. If price push lower, then we can pull towards the $1 spot. This $1 spot, we can push towards this $1 spot. However, they will regain listing soon because I actually closed right above $1 for, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 about five days now. So another 5 days to go, and then they will regain listing. I think they're gonna regain listing before the 10th. NVIS, this one is been a fantastic trade. I took the $15 call options, and I've been holding $15 call options until we got to the 20 spot, and I'm still holding the remaining half of my position for a break towards that $28, $29 spot on NVIS. Overall, I still like chart. Tellery, this has been, you know, really sluggish. So on this push right here on Thursday, I took some profit out of my $15 call options. So the only thing I'm playing on this name is just call options. I'm not playing anything else. I have some equity, but that's in my Roth account. So, you know, pretty much I think we push higher on this. Overall, this is our trend, our uptrend. This is our uptrend support. So every time price pull towards this trend, it need to hold this area. Overall, if you see now, we have our support right around the $18 spot, so which is really good. Okay, so that means we won't have to push too much lower towards this 200 moving average. Overall, I like the WKHS workhorse. This workhorse group, the reason why I brought this up is because they've been calling this out as well. So we have this range right now. Okay, so I'm expecting price to just move right around this range. Okay, we failed right here. Okay, so right now I'm expecting, you know, this price to actually push through higher. Overall, our support is right here, which is 12.25 is going to be our support on this name. All right, next one is going to be AMC. AMC, this is bullish and is a flag for me. I don't care whatever people say, is a flag. Okay, the last time we had flag was right here. There was a little flag right here, and then we pushed. Now we're forming another flag right here. I'm expecting it to push higher. Overall, you know, my stop loss is around the $40 spot. You know, $40, $35 spot. That is my stop loss. Okay. I don't have hard stop loss. I have, like, you know, mental stop loss on the trade, because market makers can easily see where you have your stop and then push the price down there to shake you out of the trade, right? CLNE, this one is also a beauty. Okay, this is the trend support right here, and this is the downtrend. So right now we're breaking out of that downtrend. Okay, I'm expecting price to just consolidate around this 1050, 1036 spot, and then for a continuation higher. Overall, you know, this is also good for a swing. Next one is going to be BB, Blackberry. Okay, we have Blackberry, not a strawberry, but Blackberry, right? So pretty much this is the level. I'm expecting this to break through the 17 and then push towards the $20 spot. Overall, the resistance is right around this $20 spot. That's where our resistance is on Blackberry. If we can push through close to this $20 spot, I think we'll be able to push through to 25. Okay, so that is my second target, is the 25 spot. It's gonna be my second target. Next one is going to be Sophie. The reason why I like this Sophie is because I've been playing this this Sophie. Okay, look at how we broke this trend. Okay, so this will tell you, okay, we're trying to reclaim the 50 and the 20. Guess what is gonna happen? We're gonna start pushing higher, and then with the RSI around that 40 something percent, I was like, okay, it's about time we actually push. So we pushed higher, took some profit off right here, and then you know the price just went crazy. So right now this is our trend support right now. So we need to hold this area for the continuation higher on Sophie. The next one is going to be BBBY. This one I have some call options, I think. No, I don't have call options on this one, but on this one I'm expecting price to consolidate around this $35 spot. Overall, this is going to be our trend, our uptrend support. This is going to be our uptrend support. So keep an eye on it, and that will be it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below what you're looking at and how we can help to analyze your stock. Have you guys a fantastic one, guys. Peace and love. Bye bye.